Bimbo Power believe everyone knows what is silent diesel generator set. So how are silent diesel generator sets assembled? Today, Bimbo Power will show you the assembly process of silent diesel generator set. In recent years, silent diesel generator sets have been used more and more widely. It is mainly used in special occasions with strict noise requirements, such as schools, hospitals, etc. The essential difference between a silent generator and a general generator is that its genset is externally mounted with a soundproof cover, and the muffler is built in, which reduces the noise of the genset.